Do not use a toothbrush to clean dirt from your refrigerator gasket. It's a mistake that can be costly. When the gasket becomes dirty, discolored, or yellowed, avoid cleaning it with a toothbrush, dish brush, or rough sponge, as this could damage it. There's a better solution for such gaskets. Prepare a small bowl and pour in half a cup of regular water. Warm water is fine. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda and mix well. Then add 2 tablespoons of vinegar and stir until all ingredients are dissolved. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle, spray the gasket on the refrigerator door, and let it sit for about 2 minutes. Then, wipe it gently with a soft cloth. The ingredients in this solution will remove dirt, whiten the yellowed material, and eliminate mold spores that may be hiding in the gasket's crevices. Regular cleaning with this simple and effective mixture will keep your refrigerator gasket cleaner and brighter. With just this easy trick, your refrigerator will look like new.